In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the status column in Monday.com to help you manage your projects with ease. Monday.com is a powerful tool that allows you to track project progress, and the status column is an essential feature for keeping everyone in the loop about what's happening. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your status column to fit your project needs perfectly. Let's begin by adding a status column to your board. You'll start by locating the plus icon situated at the end of your current columns on your board. This icon is crucial as it allows you to add various types of columns to structure your project. Go ahead and give that plus icon a click. Once you do, you'll be presented with several options for different types of columns you can add. For our purposes, select Status from the list. Now that we have added the status column, let's explore the default labels that come with it. These labels typically include options such as Done, Working on it, and Stuck. They provide a convenient starting point for many project tracking needs. However, your project might have specific terminology, or you might want a different color scheme. That's where customization comes in. To edit these labels, locate any cell within your status column and give it a click. You'll see an option that says Edit Labels, and that's your gateway to full customization. By clicking on Edit Labels, you open up several possibilities to tailor the column to your specific workflow. Sometimes you might find that certain labels aren't relevant to your project. In that case, you have the option to delete them. Conversely, you might realize you need additional labels. You can add new ones just as easily, ensuring your status column accurately reflects the stages of your workflow. Additionally, if there's a label that you want to keep but feel that a certain word or color would be more intuitive or visually striking for your team, you have the option to rename it or recolor it. The color scheme is not just for aesthetics. Colors can help your team quickly understand the status of various tasks at a glance. Having customized your status column to match your unique project needs, you now have a dynamic tool to visually communicate status updates and manage tasks seamlessly. Remember, keeping labels clear and intuitive will make it easier for your team to stay informed and aligned. And there you have it. You've successfully added, customized, and optimized your status column in Monday.com. This functionality is a significant asset in keeping your team organized and your projects progressing smoothly. Thank you for joining me today. Happy project managing, and I'll see you in the next video.